Okay, so yesterday I published a video about GhostBSD, and this is clearly my fault for not researching it properly. I completely fell for the April Fool of GhostOS. I'm a little embarrassed. The reason I'm a little embarrassed is because my wife has been on at me all day about it, telling me what a donut I am. That's my fault. Completely my fault. I didn't research it properly, and that's the kind of mistake that happens when you don't. Thank you to everyone who pointed that out. I do feel really silly. What can you do? If you don't research things properly, that's the kind of mistake that happens. That's completely on me. So I just wanted to put out this little update to yesterday's video. Link will be up here or up here somewhere, and down below. Live and learn. It's what it's all about. Not much else I can say apart from sorry, I made a mistake. And I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.